don't click off this video. I know you're going to, just don't. You're going to miss out on one of the greatest hot chocolate experiences of your life. Hello guys, and welcome back to the Cute Kitchen. Today we are making a delicious cinnamon crunchy hot chocolate. This recipe serves 4, but it'll serve more if you have less. But who's going to do that? I'll just drink it all in one go. It is delicious. So let's get on into the video. First, we're going to start off by crushing up 3 Crunchies. I bought a pack of 4 Crunchies because it was cheaper, and then you also have an extra Crunchie to crush on the top at the end. I'm putting this into my portable blender. I love this portable blender, it's incredible, would highly recommend, not as much washing up, it's great. Now just blend this until it's fine and crumbly. Now I'm going to put 3/4 of a cup of water into a saucepan and heat until it comes to a simmer. I'm using my Buckingham Palace spoon, love it. If you go to Buckingham Palace, get one, it's great. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of Dutch cocoa powder. Such high quality cocoa powder, would definitely recommend getting it. Now you're going to stir until there are no lumps left so you don't get any bitter lumps of cocoa powder when you drink your hot chocolate. Now add your Crunchie. Make sure your saucepan or heat is on a low heat so you don't burn it, because that is not a good taste. Now add 3 cups of milk, still on a low heat, and stir in between so it's all combined together. Now I'm going to add 6 ounces of milk chocolate, still on a low heat, don't want to burn it. Next you're going to add 3 teaspoons of cinnamon. This is what makes it taste incredible. Take it off the heat, and now we're going to pour it into a jug to make it easier to pour into cups. Now some nice pouring ASMR. You're welcome for that. Now I'm going to pour it into a large mug. I love hot chocolate, so I'm using a large mug, but you can use whatever size mug you like. Now, you know what I love? Whipped cream. You know what's even better than just whipped cream? When you sprinkle cinnamon on top. I love it, it's perfect for winter. Would definitely recommend you do this, or just eat it with cinnamon, whatever you fancy. Now we're going to have some nice crumbling crunchy ASMR. Should I just turn into an ASMR channel at this point? Maybe. I mean, would it be better? Who knows? Haha, just joking, do not get your hopes up. Just saying. Now our cinnamon crunchy hot chocolate is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I love hot chocolate, and I hope you do too if you're watching this. And please try to make it, and then comment down below if you liked it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss a video. I'm going to be posting a new video every single day of Advent, a new recipe video, so make sure you leave suggestions in the comments. Bye for now. Au revoir.